Oscar. Hit it! Yeah, he got lucky. Nah, he ain't getting no dent. He can take that to Paco. Paco have him back out of there in about 4 days.
Hey, he didn't want to let go.
Yeah.
He didn't want to let go.
Who taught him?
Hey, I was like, hey, he's gonna take you.
Man. Oh, boy, well, like, look at this. Look at this. Hey, what's all that damn noise over there? Oh, you getting tacos tonight? No, I ain't getting tacos tonight. I had some ribs far across. Nah, he ain't hit the other car. He didn't have no. Let me see. Hey, the taco line short, y'all. Now, I'm gonna go get me a hot chocolate, y'all. Don't that sound? When the last time y'all had a good hot chocolate? Not the people with the stingy one. They only give you 1 pack. I'm talking about 2 packages in a medium cup with the dark spot all the way at the bottom because it's really too much. But it's just a little bit too much, so it still tastes good with a couple marshmallows at the top. Ooh. Fired up. Okay. You got that truck intake. Big nasty. Oh yeah, that is look like Frankie. LC hasn't finished the way. Go ahead and take it just like that. This bitch runs. You can put the hood and front bumper on later. Oh yeah, dude, you can fucking kick his ass. Fuck the front grill. You don't need no fucking front grill. Extra air hole. Bitch, it's gonna be ram air. Your intake temperatures are gonna be cool because the fucking no hood way. Mira. You should win every fucking race, way. No bumper, no front. You have time to wait on your new lights now, wait. Mira. Fucking weight reduction hole. Just put nitrous on it, I'll tune it. Everyone's doing it. You don't need a hood to race. It's not illegal, way. Aye. It's better to do that with no hood. It's all in the tune. Ah, oh. We're gonna need another tune way. Just cause imagine, what if you put your front bumper and your hood on? It's gonna be more heavier. More heavy means more slow. A la chingada. Fucking close ass raceway. If I would have had the front bumper, I would have won, but I only lost by a headlight. I only lost by a headlight. I need my bumper way. Right side one. What's up with it, man?
How much?
Which one? Oh, I think the bean is going for.
You got it for sale though?
Yeah, I got them for sale. You need me to bring them next time?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring everybody some, man. I got some new ones on order and everything.
Yeah, we want some of that. I need new jumpsuits.
Yeah, man, the jumpsuits, I don't even think I can sell these. Huh? Yeah. I'm insulated up in here, man. Look at that. I'm warm in the mug, man. I ain't worried about no cold. Now he got slicks on the front. Oh, big time here, y'all. God damn. I thought I just heard it.
I got my firstborn child on the right lane.
You got the right line? Yeah. Me too. I like them slicks he got, man. Ooh, wait a minute. Left side got some slicks too. But everybody pointing over here. So, oh shit, he got slicks in the front and the back, man. God damn. Yeah, I gotta take this side, man. He got them on both.
What though? Right lane slippery.
Ooh, he ain't catching him, y'all. Ooh, he ain't catching. Look, damn, boy, oh boy, cut that tree good. Golly. Boy, he cut that tree good on him, y'all. A la chingada. Look, big time. I already done got up here losing. First bet. Hey, y'all, that's who I thought was Big Nasty. Hey, I thought you were, it's somebody on my, name, Big Nasty.
Oh, that's Cuz.
Yeah, I would look, he was like, is that Frankie?